Why? Why?
Sir, I'm facing some network issues. So.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Everyone turn on your cameras.
Done.
How are you all?
Fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
You will be always fine.
Sir, we are super.
We'll be fine, sir. Usually be fine. So that is the reason.
Bhargav is super. Acha, Okay, good. Chalo. Tell me, who are
Sir,
having
can I say?
doubts? Who are having doubts? Raise your hands.
We raised.
3 members.
Only one doubt only, sir. One question.
Me too, sir.
Yes. So every day we'll be having doubt session, not an issue, but only one doubt for each children. So we cannot.
Sir, I'm having exam, sir. Please, sir. Clarify my doubt, sir. Monday only, sir. Exam.
Sir, actually, I added my doubt in the discussion, sir. Today I was having math exam, sir, so I have got a doubt in that question.
Okay, very good.
Sir, I took captain discussion yesterday only.
Hmm. Very good. Okay, let me have a look at it.
Okay, sir.
Shreyan, I think Shreyan also attached something, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
don't. I Kavya capture, but I'm not able to understand it properly, sir. It is correct only, but I'm not able.
Hmm. The question is x plus 1 divided by x whole square plus this one,
Yes, sir.
x plus 1.
Yes, sir. X plus 1 by x whole power square plus 6 into x plus 1 by x bracket plus 9.
X plus 1 by x plus 9.
1 minute.
See,
Plus 9.
basically, how I supposed to solve this? Look at this here. Hmm. Basically, you take let x plus 1 by x is equal to a. You take it as a. If you take that is as a, no need of writing again and again. So it becomes simply a square plus 6a plus 9.
Sir, you have to say this.
So look at this. In place of x plus 1 by x, I'll be substituting with a. So or else substitute t. Whatever the variable you want, you substitute t. Let me write it t.
Sir, are you presenting, sir?
Sir, we cannot see it.
One second. One second. Look at this. So x plus 1 by x whole square plus 6 into x plus 1 by x plus 9 is equal to what he is asking, right? So x plus 1 by x I'm taking as t. So if I write so t square plus 6t plus 9 it will become, isn't it? If I take it as a
Yes,
t
sir.
man, so can I write now
Yes,
t
sir.
square plus 6t plus 9? How can I factorize this? So first term into last term. So t
Sir,
square
splitting the middle terms.
splitting middle term 3t plus 3t. Can I write? So
Yes,
t
sir.
t common. So if I take t common, I'll be remaining with t of
3,
t
3
plus
of 3 plus
again 3
3,
common t of 3.
3.
All right. So
3
if
plus
you
3, 3 plus
so t plus 3 into t plus
3
3.
plus
I
2.
can write this as t plus 3 whole square.
Yes.
All right. T plus 3 whole square. T means what here? X plus 1 by x plus 3 whole square.
Yes, sir.
This is your answer.
Okay.
So if you expand it again, you will be getting what? Same thing.
Means taking, sir, once thing is
Or else t plus 3 whole square you can write like this. T square plus 2ab.
square plus 2.
A square plus t square
2
plus
in
60.
2
2.
into 3 t plus 9.
So t square plus 2 into 3 means 6.
60.
Again, you will get the same thing. So that our answer is correct.
Yes, sir.
X plus 1 by x whole square
Yes.
plus 6t plus 9. Look at this. Again, we got the same expression of that. So what is my
Yes,
answer
sir.
now? That entire thing can be written as how?
X plus 3 also. X plus 1 by
Yes.
x also.
Plus 3 whole square.
It's a plus 3 also. Okay, sir.
This is the final answer. Clear da?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Chalo, next question. Harini.
Yes, sir. My question is just this one, sir. If L plus M
One
plus
second,
N
one
is
second. Where is your
yeah, that one and
where
another one.
this
Yes, sir.
one?
That one. Yes, sir. That one. I've added attached the picture.
Sir, I solved it already, but I don't know why she's not able to open it.
I'm not getting to open the link, sir.
No
Sure.
problem.
I
One
changed the settings.
wait. No problem. 1 by yes, I understand that. 251 by 256 to the power of 3 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Plus 1 by
343 whole to the power of minus 1 by 3.
1 by 2,
3, sir. 3.
by 3. So basically, 256 can be written as in terms of 4. How can I write in terms of 4?
Sir, around 4.
4 to the power of 4. 4 to the power of 4 can be written as what? 256. 16
Yes,
is
sir.
16, yes. So 1 by 4 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 3 by 4. So now can I cancel this 4 and 4?
Yes, sir. 4 power 3.
Yes,
That
sir.
is
1
equal
by
to 64.
wait. So 343 can be written as in terms of 3. So 3 power of
4.
3 is 27. So 3 power of 4 is 81. 3 power of 5 is
Sir,
200.
it's 7 to the power of 3.
Can you write 7 to the power of 3? Ananya, very good.
Yes.
Ananya,
Yes, sir.
right?
7 to the power of 3.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
7 to the power of 3.
This will get again. So
Yeah.
1 by 4. So 1 by
Plus
4 is
7.
64 plus 1 by 7. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
It should be 7, right?
It will be 7. So now next
Minus.
time I'm ready. 1 by 64 plus 7 by 1. So LCM is what? 64. So what is my LCM now? 1 plus 64 into 7.
Equal
So
to
what I'm going to write? 64 into 7, how much?
448.
448,
sir.
60 into 7. 420 plus 28. Yes, 448
49.
plus
Plus 1
1 by
64.
60. 449 by 60.
449 by 64. Equal to 7 full, 1 by 64.
If you want to cancel, you can just cancel out. Which table it is possible to cancel?
And no table, sir.
No table.
Whatever, sir. It will
So leave the answer as it is.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I have one more doubt even. Just a second. So
Only one
if
doubt per child. So
yes, sir. Okay.
you can ask in tomorrow's class. No issues. You can post the doubt in the next. I know like same way how you posted.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, beta. Next. You keep it. No. We'll discuss the doubt. Don't worry. One doubt at a time. So next. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Whose doubt? No one has the doubt. Shall we begin our class?
Yes, sir.
So as I promised you, we are going to have a quiz, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Chalo.
Yes, sir.
So this time, as per your concern today, I'm going to give you only 20 seconds per each question. Not even 20, 15 seconds. So 15 seconds, 5 questions. So 75. So within 1 minute, we can finish it out.
Sir, are you sharing the screen now?
One second. I'm just getting into that website. let me share the screen. Yes, be ready, guys. Chalo. Solve the first question. Solve the first question. Make it fast. What is the relationship of the angles? Can I zoom it out? See,
Both option.
see, you can see the. If I just 1 second, you can see the picture. Look at this. Can you able to see the picture?
Yes, sir.
Make it fast. Only 15 seconds of 10 seconds of time.
Sir,
Sir, should we sit privately?
So we should reply privately.
Privately, not publicly.
I should message you one by one, like 1 to 5 altogether,
Yeah,
or
yeah, yeah.
one per second.
Yeah, one by one.
Sir, can you scroll it down?
So, what is the relationship between the angles? Good. Time up, time up. Very good, guys. Very good. Many of you given the answer. Very good, Piyush. Piyush, right answer. Piyush given right answer. Mohit given right answer. Piyush given the first. Very good, Piyush. Mohit, very good. Vertically opposite angles. Yes, 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 yes.
So it's just written vertical. There's no vertical opposite.
But see here how it is. How they are looking. Are they looking like? How they are looking then?
So
Huh?
I know that they don't look like any of these,
Yeah,
but
of course. Then if they don't look like any of the other option, then you have to go for the option whichever is convenient for that. Is it clear, Sujay? So alternate interior angles, are they alternate interior? Are they
no, sir.
corresponding?
No, sir.
Alternate exterior, of course, no. They are vertical. What is that? They are vertical.
Vertically opposite.
Vertically opposite, sir.
Vertically opposite, sir.
Let us check. See how many vertical opposite is right answer. Those you have given. That is a fantastic right answer. Clear? Chalo. 1 second.
Sir, actually, you can start a live quiz, sir.
Yes, sir. That will be better.
Yes, sir. You can
No,
share
no.
the link in.
Yeah. So I can share this.
Start a live quiz.
Yes, sir. Start a
Okay.
live quiz question. Like, click on it.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second.
Classic, sir.
Classic.
classic. So continue.
And so continue.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Then, sir, you'll get a link.
Link and a code, sir. You can share the link.
So
Sir,
you
share
see,
the link.
you can see the
Same
link,
kind of
sir.
thing.
Sir,
Inside
or share
Google
via
Classroom.
Excel, sir.
If you can
Nice.
click,
Chain kind of thing, sir. Chain kind of thing. Oh, yeah.
Copy link.
Yes, sir.
So you can post it in the chat box, sir.
Yes, sir. In the Zoom chat box.
Yeah, but our video will be off. Sir.
Make
No
it fast.
problem,
Make
right?
it fast. Make it fast. Make it fast. Only 2 minutes of time. Only 5 questions you supposed to attempt. Only 5 questions. Only 5 questions. Not everything. Tell me your scores one by one. One by one, you can tell me your scores actually. Okay. You want to attempt the test now?
Sir,
so
okay.
yet,
So you can see our scores.
Yes, sir. You have to
Yeah.
start the quiz.
Yes, sir. It will.
You can see like that as well.
sir,
Great.
but participants are yet to join, sir. So I think we need to.
Participants only 0, right?
11,
Sir,
sir.
you started a different quiz now.
Yes,
Okay, I'll
sir.
share it. I'll share it again. Look at this.
Okay,
So,
sir.
but
I'm posting the link now. The link which I'm posting now, that is the answer. Chalo.
Okay, sir.
Second link. Second link you have to let me start it. Shall I? Only 9 participants. What about others? Make it fast. You have to join it. Akshit,
So
Piyush.
the same one link only, right?
Yeah, second one. 827375 link. Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
So 1 second, sir.
Make it fast.
I don't know.
Immediately. So let us have.
Sorry, sir. 1 second.
So one day we'll have differently. Let us try some different. Yeah, good idea actually.
Sir, there are 15 questions in this quiz, sir. There are 15 questions.
There are 15 questions. Okay, 15 questions. Let us see. 15 questions you try to attempt within 50% of the time, like 7.5 minutes. So you have to finish within 7.5 minutes. Let us see how many of you are gonna finish it within 7.5
Yes.
minutes.
Okay, sir.
Right. Shall we start? Shall I click on the start?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Still
sir.
anyone is going to
Yes,
join?
sir. Start.
Everyone join, please. Everyone join. Join the quiz, everyone. Children, 21 members are here. 21, excluding me. 20 members are here. So everyone must join. Everyone must join. Shall I? Shall I start?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Start.
One.
Ting, 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 ting.
If we can mute
Yes,
yourself.
go. Make it fast. Very good, Pranav. Very good, Piyush. Hey, hey, very good, beta. Rishikesh.
Sir, it says that it didn't start for me, sir.
I started for everyone, beta.
Excuse me, sir. Can you send the link again because I was disconnected?
Yes. Yes, I sent it.
Yes, sir.
Piyush, Rishikesh, very good, beta. Come on, only like 7 minutes. I told you, 1 minute done. So 1 minute done. So till 5:55. At 5:55, I'm going to close
Sir,
this.
2 more minutes.
5:55 till 5:55.
Sir,
5:54.
can you give 1 more minute?
Please, you do your job. Do your job.
Please.
Do your job. Do your job. Make it fast. Rishikesh, Piyush are going like anything. Come on, guys. Very good. Kavya Singhal doing, coming to the back. Sujay, come on, Sujay. Very good, beta. Ananya, very good, Ananya. So it's a great, actually, great sign. Great sign. Very good, beta. Very good. So Modita, come on, Modita. Toshnika, yet to start. Toshnika only. Come on, please. Piyush has done. Rishikesh has done. Piyush and Rishikesh are like flowing like anything. Come on, guys. Ananya came into the track now. Very good. Rishikesh, 6 questions. Come on, guys. Toshnika, are you solving the problem or you're talking to someone? Very good
No,
question.
sir. Like my mother is beside me.
Rishikesh, very good. Kavya, 6, correct. Kavya, 7, Rishikesh, 7. Come on, guys, make it fast. Make it fast. Shreyan, 2. Mohit, Devasri, Modita, Akshit, Aditya, Harini. Enna Harini. Try to solve it properly. Rishikesh, good Rishikesh. Pranav, okay, good. What is showing actually? What it is showing? Why is showing like Piyush had 7 correct, suddenly it fall down to 3? Is this the number of questions you attempted?
No, sir, I guess the time maybe.
I guess you.
Sir, it's the streak, so that means that he got continuously 7 times correct and then he lost his streak.
Acha, there's a graph of that. Great. Nice to see the quiz. 70% accuracy. Ananya is doing it. 14 got correct at a time. Rishikesh. Last 2 minutes. Ananya, 15 got, so that then Ananya has 15 now, so it doesn't mean that, so she has got 15 questions consecutively, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Ananya, very good, Ananya, super job. Yush again, come on. I think Ananya has done the quiz.
Yes, sir. I'm done with the quiz.
Very good, beta.
Sir, even I've completed.
Sir, I'm
Nayan,
having some internet issues.
what do you have?
Sir, I'm having some internet issues.
Who is that?
Me, Modita.
Why?
Don't know, sir. It suddenly got clicked.
Last,
Everything went.
last minute, last minute, last minute.
Sir, yes, sir.
Oh,
I
come
also
on,
did not
man.
get the first one, sir.
Time up. Time up, last minute.
Sir, I was disconnecting again and again.
Sir, just a second.
That time up.
Rishikesh has got 11 consecutive questions. 11 consecutive questions. And correctly.
Sir, and I was like, mine got stuck and suddenly went all same options.
Chalo,
Very
time up.
good.
Time up.
Oh,
Start
no,
doing. Stop. Stop.
no.
I'm stopping. Where is the stop button?
Sir, end, sir, end.
End. Yes. I'm ending
You
it.
have to keep the end. Yeah.
Shit, man.
So where can we see the score after ending this?
You end, sir.
Yes,
after,
sir.
sir.
Now it's going to show.
Now it is going to show. The top 3 members.
Mohit, Ananya, and Pranav. Congratulations, guys.
Sir,
Well
last
done.
moment I got first position, sir. Till then I was in the second. In the
Okay.
last moment
So
I
look
got
at
it.
it. 1 second. So yes, overview.
Now come down, sir.
1 second.
Yes, sir. These are the ranks.
Very good, beta. Fantastic job.
Sir,
Mohit,
my
can
half
see the
question was
review
not
questions.
completed only.
1 second.
Can we have one more?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Me too. I was
I was
also
having
facing.
internet connection. It's not fair, sir.
Not fair. Always
Fair,
you
fair.
have
Me
see
too.
here.
Fair.
One more.
Sir, one more, please, sir.
Say one more.
See, every day one quiz only. Not like we cannot have. So 1 second. Where is the result here? Where is the result
Sir,
here?
actually, you went back,
remote
sir.
na,
We
sir.
can't see again. We can't see the quiz again, sir. You went back.
I didn't go back.
Sir, that will
But
go, sir.
whatever.
That's it.
Whatever Ananya, Modita, and Pranav got 100% result. So good. So what about other? Can you please tell me your result one by one?
Sir, I got only
Only
one
one
round.
mistake.
Or you made a, yeah, you committed to one mistake, right?
Yes, sir. By mistake.
Okay, no issues, no issues. Yeah, it's fine. But congratulations to everyone. Congratulations to everyone. Everyone have done immensely very good job actually. Bhargav, sir, I'm not able to access the quiz. No issues, beta. So see, we can have every day like like 7 minutes of quiz every day.
Sir, but you should give 10 minutes, sir.
You should be
7 minutes you are giving, I give 2 minutes extra, sir.
I didn't get you.
He's asking extra 2 minutes also, sir. It's 7 minutes complete.
Okay, 7 minutes quiz only. We'll have it.
Yes, sir. 7 minutes is good.
Rishikesh, what's your score, Rishikesh? Rishikesh, what's your score? What was your score?
Sir, actually, I got disconnected in the 11th problem, sir. But I got every problem correct.
Good, good, good. See, make sure that you are having proper network while writing that. So Pranav, happy for you, Pranav, Modita, and who got Ananya, and one more.
Sir, it was Mohit, sir. I
Mohit.
got the first position.
Yes, yes, Mohit. Yes, very good, Mohit. Happy for you guys, and those who got, congratulations to everyone. So I'll do one thing. So we'll do one thing. So if it is offline, I would have came to the institute and gifted you guys. But yeah, like we are at home right now, we cannot gift you. So if it is so, but yeah, we can gift. I would have came to you personally and would have give you gift. But yeah, it's an online tuition. Still, okay, we'll make a possibilities if anything. So now tell me, do you guys have any doubts? Tell me
Sir,
any.
what is the Sunday test, sir?
So Sunday,
Yes, sir. What is
good
Sun-
question. So Sunday test would be again on lines and angles. So no, I think we have done 90% of the lines and angles. So I think you guys have to solve lines and angle question. How many have you solved worksheet problems and how many of you have done with your exercise problems? Are you guys able to solve the exercise problems? Is there any doubt in solving exercise problems?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
So how many exercises we have over there? Total how many exercises we have, guys?
Sir, there we have somewhere around 13 exercises.
The 3 or 4 exercises.
No. In 6 point in lines and angles.
Sir, 17 exercises.
In lines and angles, 17 exercises.
3, sir, 3.
3, sir. 6.1, 2, and 3.
So wait, there are 17 questions.
Mhm.
Very short question answer, short and long.
Okay, so look at this here. So in first exercise, how many questions we have solved? 6.1 exercise. 6.1. How many questions we have done so far? Tell me.
Sir, could you please repeat?
Sorry.
Could you please repeat?
Huh?
Can you please repeat the question?
What I'm asking is from 6.1 exercise, how many questions we have done with?
Sir, are you talking about NCRT textbook?
Yeah, NCRT, and we have this RS Agarwal as
I
well.
thought the worksheet.
RS Agarwal. We'll do one thing. We'll solve RS Agarwal first. You guys have to solve your NCRT. Is it clear with everyone? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it possible? So is it possible if we can do RD Sharma?
RD Sharma.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, RD
Yeah,
Sharma.
sir, because many of us have it.
Yeah, sir.
I don't.
Yeah, RD Sharma only will do. We'll do RD Sharma. No issues. Chalo, RD Sharma will start.
Sir, first the Sunday test.
Yeah, I don't have
Sir,
idea.
can you wait for some time? I need to get my artist from my book.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, what is the Sunday test, sir? Only lines and angles or another chapter also there?
Lines and angles only will be the test. Not only that. So this time, I'll be giving less time. Actually, we have solving, already we have done the 2 tests on lines and angles. So this time I'll be giving probably 15 questions. If possible, I'll give 20 also. But maximum, I'll try to give 15 questions only. And time limit is, you have to solve within so each question 15 minutes, each question 2 minutes. So 30, half an hour. Let us see.
Sir.
No,
Yes,
that
sir.
would be better, man. That is for your, increasing your accuracy. If I give
Okay,
1 hour of test, what will happen is 1 hour no. అరే ఒక గంట ఉంది కదా మెల్లగా చేద్దాం అలా కాదు అక్కడ అర్థమైందా? So that is not the case here.
Sir, only lines and angles, sir.
Only lines and angles.
It's
If I
okay.
have 1 hour of test, what you do is like 1 hour of test.
1 hour
లంచ్ చేసేసి డిన్నర్ చేసేసి మళ్ళీ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు. అది కాదు ప్రాబ్లం. So if I keep for 30 minutes, you have to do patafat, takatak. Understand? That's how. Chalo. So RD Sharma, done. Shall we start RD Sharma?
Sir, I don't
Yes,
have RD Sharma.
Sorry?
Sir, I don't have RD
Sir,
Sharma
I
book,
don't
sir.
have RD Sharma.
RD Sharma, if you don't have means, you do one thing. You can buy or you can just, free textbook available, I guess. So you can just download it.
Okay.
Free
Yes, sir,
textbook.
PDF is available.
PDF available. If anyone is there, so please share to your friends, guys. Kavya, you share to your friends. Those who don't have that, you can share it you can share it to them personally. All right.
Sir, discussion they can keep, na, sir.
Yes,
In discussion they can keep. That would be better actually. In
Sir, in the
discussion,
resources they can add, sir, not in the discussion.
sorry,
In the resources they can add, sir.
you can add it out. So wherever it is
When
possible,
anyway-
if you have an option, you can just straight away go to that and add it out. but very good option.
Why
Alright?
sir give all cut off? You can do it.
Yes. Tell me, guys.
So we're
Sir,
going to
the
do
first-
examples, right?
The first
Sorry?
question is,
What's the first question? Exercise,
Sir,
which
the-
one? Which exercise is that?
Sir, the 10.1 is the exercise.
6.1.
10.1.
Yeah, sir. The latest one is 10.1, and 10.1 is very easy, sir. The
Sir,
exercise.
like Adi Sharma or R.S. Agarwal?
Adi Sharma.
Adi
Yeah.
Sharma.
In the Adi Sharma, we have
10.1.
sir.
What's the first question?
So write the complement of each of the following angles.
Acha. Okay. Write the complement of each other following.
Yes, sir.
So these are all kind of very easy,
Easy
sir.
questions,
Easy
sir.
questions.
Yeah.
Easy questions. What is the first angle?
So
Let
the
me check.
first exercise is pretty easy.
Very easy. Then we'll go for the next one. Difficult one. Let us all go.
Yes,
Let us
sir.
go with the second one.
Sir, in exercise 8.1, can you explain me question number 4?
Yes, exercise 8.2.
So
10
once
point.
No,
we do
sir.
triangles and angles chapter,
Exercise
right?
8.1, sir. Exercise 8.1, question number 4.
What is that question? Can you please read it out? Read the question.
If an angle is 30 degree more than one half of its complement, find
Okay.
the
If
measure
okay.
of
If an
the
angle is,
angle.
yes. If an angle is 30 degrees more than one half of its complement, find the measure of the other angle. So if angle 30 more than one half of its complement, 30 more than one half of its complement. So what can I take? The first angle. Let first angle A, and its complement is what? Its complement
90
angle is what?
degrees, sir.
Complement angle 90
One-
minus A. If
one
you add
half
these
of
two,
its
it should get
complement.
90 degrees, isn't it?
Yes.
Complement of any angle will be 90 minus A. So if I add
Sir,
this,
but how?
beta, look at this 90 plus 9 A plus 90. If I add these two, again I'm getting 90 only. No, after adding any two angles, you must get 90 degrees. So what if I take, so my sum would be 90 degrees. It is 90 minus A, isn't it? Yes or no? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So yes, so 30 degrees more than one half of its complement. 30 degrees more than. So required, what do we have to do? Angle, required angle. So our actual required angle is actual angle, you said. Actual angle is equal to 30 degrees more than 30 degrees more than one half of its complement. Its complement angle is what? 90 degrees minus A. You understand? 30 degrees more means 30 plus and half of its complement. So find that angle is what? Find the measure of an angle. So look at this here. So what can I write, beta? Actual angle, let us say A. I'm just going to be 30 degrees plus 1 by 2. 90 by 2 minus A by 2. Okay. So A plus A by 2 is equal 30 plus 90 by 2, how much? 45. So A 1 plus half 3 by 2. So 3A by 2 is equal 75. Clear? Any doubts? Beta, look at this here. Full A plus half 1 plus half 1 and half. So 3 by 2. Can I write? Yes or no? How many of you are understanding?
Yes,
this?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at this now. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 3, so 25 are. So A is equal to what? 25 into 2, which gives me 50 degrees. So actual angle is 50 degrees. How simple it is. Look at this. Tell me, Doshnika.
Sir, 3 upon 2, how
Can you
it
please?
gives?
Yes, tell me.
Okay. So can you please do the 10.1 exercise, the 13th question?
You read.
Okay.
Tell me the question.
Yes. If the complement of an angle is equal
10.1. Which book you are talking about?
Adi Sharma, sir, the latest.
R.D. Sharma 10.1.
Yeah.
1 second. Tell me your question.
The 13th question, sir.
13th question. Read out the question.
Okay. If the complement of an angle is equal to the supplement of the thrice of it, find the measure of the angle.
If a complement. अरे भाई ये क्या हो रहा है? एक मिनट भाई.
So I think yours is not the latest.
Tell me. Let me write the question.
If the complement
Hmm.
of an angle is equal to the supplement of the thrice of it,
Thrice of it.
find the measure of the angle.
How simple it is. Find the measure of. See, complement of an angle is equal to supplement of thrice of it. Which means what? What can I take? What angle I can take? First angle. Tell me. See, complement of an angle
X
is.
and 3x.
Sorry.
Um,
See, complement of an angle is equal to supplement thrice of it.
So, sir, 90 minus x is equal to 180 minus.
So complement. Look at this here. If I take any angle is x, the first angle. So what is the complement of this angle?
90 minus
minus x, as I told you. This 90 degrees minus x degrees equal to thrice of its supplement. Its supplement means what? 180 minus x.
180 minus x.
अब लगा डन. कोई बात नहीं है इसमें. ये देखो ये क्या हो गया? Supplement. All right. देखो 90. अरे 1 second बेटा. Very simple question. Logic. 180 90 minus x. So 3 into 180 how much? 540 minus 3.
Yes. 5.
So 540 degrees minus 90 degrees minus x plus 3x.
So minus 3x and plus x, no, sir.
Minus x plus 3x. So I'll see. I'm shifting this side and 90 this side. Any wrong here? Anything wrong?
So then you're not supposed to write as it is minus x, right? You're bringing x to
Yes,
the
you have to write minus 3x.
Who told you? Look at this. See.
When the sign changes.
Wait. Look at this. So 90 degrees minus 540. So minus 3x plus x. Anyhow correct. Clear now? Any doubt?
Oh yeah.
So,
Okay.
how much now?
Yes.
450. Isn't it? 450 plus 90, 540 is equal to minus 2x. This goes cancelled, and 2 ones, 2 2s, 225. So x is equal to 225. This is the right answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
In my book, it is a 8.1. In your book, it's a 10. I'm not sure.
So then it's.
So that is the latest one, sir.
Ours is the latest one, so ours
Yeah,
is
sir.
Okay, you are the latest one. I have old book. Yeah.
So actually, I do have the old book.
Okay. Okay, no issues. Tell me any doubts. Yes, tell me, beta. So next question. Shall we go for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One second. So second exercise. We'll start second exercise. In 8.2, do you guys have any doubts in 8.2?
Sir, actually, we did not solve the questions, sir.
Sir, I don't have the correct PDF, sir. I cannot say, sir.
See, you do one thing. Whoever having that PDF, please do share it in your particular voice app, or else you particular you ask them personally, they'll post you in your WhatsApp. That would be better.
I think R.D. Sharma is a private publication, sir. I don't think there is any PDF for it.
Sir, there is a solution, sir, but there is no textbook yet, kind of.
PDF available on the
Sir,
internet.
I'll send the
It's a private.
I'll send the chapter.
Then you will be then you will be getting that, what do you call that? You will be getting, you can get it from the bookstore actually, offline page, offline book.
So, or else, how this, if any person can just
Amazon also.
And the book.
copies, then it would be good, right?
Sorry?
If any person would send the soft copies of their book into the discussion, then
That is-
everyone is on audition.
That is what they are saying, ma. So soft copy is not available. That's what they are saying.
No, sir, I'm saying their book, they're going to take the pictures and they're going to post it.
Okay, you are saying that. Yes. Yeah, that is an option. That is an option. Those are, for whoever's getting possible that an option, you can just do that. Okay, look at this here. So, yes. So shall we start exercise 8.2? We'll do one thing. So from tomorrow onwards, I'll do one thing.
Yes.
From tomorrow onwards, I'll do one thing. I'll be I'll be ready with my questions. Okay, I'll be ready with my questions. So we can straight away solve R.D. Sharma questions actually. So probably we'll be having the next class on Sunday. All right, compensation class of Wednesday we are going to have on Sunday. So because I have full tight packed schedule, so that's
Sir, why
yeah.
not? Oh,
Sorry. Yes, tell me.
sir, why not tomorrow?
So look at this today.
Sunday.
Apart from kids,
Sir, why?
Arey yaar, what?
She's asking
Sir,
tomorrow, sir.
why
Why not
not
tomorrow?
Tomorrow I don't have free slots. That is the problem. Tomorrow I don't have free
So, sir,
slots.
Sunday, which timing?
So probably after your exam, same timing, evening 4 to 5, or like evening 4 to 5, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Or else 3 to 4 in the afternoon.
Yeah, so that would be comfortable.
Yes, sir. That.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
after the finishing the class, you can go for games as well. Yeah. So let us have it.
Sir,
3 to 4.
Sir, can you keep at 2:30?
Sir, that is lunchtime, sir. 2:30 means
Yes, sir.
Lunchtime is 2:30. Yes. Sreyan will be having lunch.
No, sir. I will lunch. I will eat lunch at 1, sir. Some members will
Okay, so
eat at
see,
2
see,
o'clock.
for that is compared. We'll have voting. We'll have a voting on that. So if major number of students are okay with the 2:30, then let's have it 2:30 itself. Not an issue. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is fine for
So
me.
is it on Sunday, sir?
Sorry. Yes, on Sunday. Tomorrow I have full packed schedule, so I won't be
Yes.
available tomorrow. So that's fine.
Yes, sir. I have.
See, so I think
Sir,
that
can
then we can have. If it is possible, then we can have in the morning tomorrow. If possible for you. Is it
Yes,
possible?
sir. 11
Yes, sir, it's
o'clock.
possible.
Sir, test.
Yes, sir.
Sir, test
Sir,
also
11.
then, sir.
So,
Okay,
so we
sir, no
can write
problem.
in
Why?
afternoon.
Test would be
Yeah, sir, test
day
is
after
also there,
tomorrow.
right?
Test would be on day after tomorrow. Tomorrow, is it fine with everyone?
Yes, sir. It is fine.
Tomorrow morning.
Yes, sir. It is.
Yes, sir.
We have all day second Saturday.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow
Sir, time, sir.
probably
7:30 to 8.
No,
11.
11 o'clock.
That's
11
not
o'clock.
So what about 11?
yeah 11 to 12.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. 12
11
to
to
1,
12.
11 to 12, nothing that bad.
Yeah, 11 to 12 or 12 to 1. Anything is fine.
11 to 12.
Yes, sir.
11
Probably
to
at 12 to 1. 12 to 1 we'll have it. Is it fine?
No,
Sir.
no.
Sir,
Okay,
I
sir.
can't
Sir,
have
can you keep it
12.
after 12, sir?
अरे यार एक को एक
Yes, sir. We can have 12 to 1.
टाइम वाला अब्बा
Sir,
Yes, sir. 12 to 1 is okay.
simple thing, sir. You keep afternoon 2:30 to 3:30. That is bigger best, sir.
Sir, can you keep it at
So,
the...
is after 12, we're going to have our lunch, right? So,
Yeah,
Yeah,
sir, that's the problem. So from 12 we won't able to
Wait,
come
We
wait,
can
on.
wait.
take after 1
See,
o'clock
you do
also,
one
no?
thing. Hello, wait, wait.
Morning 8 to 9.
अरे यार एक
Come
मिनट.
on, 89.
8 to 9,
Sure.
no, I won't be available. Look at this. So I'll be giving 2 slots, which is 11 to 12, one slot,
Hmm.
and 12 to 1 slot.
11 to 1, sir.
11
Sorry,
Sir, 12 to 1.
11 to
12 to 1.
11 to 12.
Sir, 11 to 12.
11 to 12.
I'll be just giving 2 slots. That's what I'm saying. If I get maximum number of votes for 11 to 12, then we'll have. it on 11 to 12. Clear?
Sir, 11 to 12, sir.
No
Okay,
issue.
so then you can just say 11 to 12, and then whoever wants it, they can just raise their hand.
Sir, I will raise my hand. 11 to 12.
Okay, okay, but so I have next class for your seniors now. So Aditya ji, PUC for you, or Rishikesh ji for you, what time is comfortable for you?
Sir, anytime is okay.
Anytime, Piyush?
Tomorrow will
tomorrow-
be test, right?
Tomorrow only. So after tomorrow you have test. So let us keep it tomorrow itself and wind it up tomorrow.
Tomorrow 9 to 10.
There are classes tomorrow and the test is on Sunday.
Yeah, so that is what I'm planning for.
Sir, can you keep it after 11:30 because I've class till 11:30, sir.
Yeah, sir. 11:30 to 12:30 would be good.
Yes, 11:30 to 12:30 also completely fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
9 to 10 I'm free.
Okay, sir.
11:30 to
Okay, sir.
12:30 and 12:30 to 1:30. I'll give two options.
Sir,
We'll see.
11:30 to 12:30.
11:30 to 12:30 one option, or 12 to 1 option.
Sir, 11:30 to 12:30. I
Yes,
cannot
sir.
miss
11:30 to
it.
12:30.
Chalo beta, goodbye.
11:30 to
Okay,
12.
Sana.
I
Goodbye,
uploaded
sir.
the link of R.D. Sharma sir in the discussion.
R.D. Sharma?
I have
R.D.
uploaded the link of R.D. Sharma sir in
Yes,
the discussion.
please find out.
Where?
I have added in the discussion.
In the where, ma?
Sure.
In the Wise
Sir,
app.
In Wise app.
Okay.
So in the
where
Wise
I did not.
Okay, let's find up now. Let's find up. Thank you. Bye bye.